So I'm pretty sure that you have seen a review like this on Steam, and honestly I would argue that this is the best kind of review because it is to the point and yet it is simple or easy to make. So if you want to create something like this, you want to send a review about a video game in this format, then you can either use the typical copy and paste method, or you can also use an app like this that can actually automatically create a review based on your selection. Or you can also use my method, which is utilizing Gemini, to create an app like that. So let me show you how you can create an interactive and easy to use Steam review generator using only Gemini AI. So let's get into it. Let's open Gemini, and of course this method can be applied on the free and paid version of Gemini, and of course you can use the mobile version of Gemini to create an app like this. So after that you can copy this prompt. You can copy this prompt from the description down below. Let's paste that onto Gemini and enable something called the canvas mode and use the pro mode because that's the mode that is dedicated or much better at coding, because after all we are trying to create an app which requires some coding, and that's why the pro mode is actually a lot more reasonable. Now here you might be asking why there is the need to create a custom app like that using Gemini. Well, of course with Gemini you can essentially vibe coding. You can tell Gemini perhaps a few categories that you want to include. You can specify the options, you can change a lot of things, and therefore the format could be slightly different. It still maintains the original formatting, but you can add a few touches or personalities into the review, and that's why I think using this method sometimes can make a lot more sense, even though of course you need some time to actually get it done. So just wait for Gemini to generate an app, and after that you can start utilizing the app to generate some Steam reviews for a video game. So I'll just skip it and I'll show you the result. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, it looks very similar to the original demo that I've shown earlier. Now you can select any option. You can even select multiple options, and the changes will be reflected into the review. So basically when you're done, you can just copy the content down here, click copy to clipboard, and then you can navigate to a Steam page, and then you can paste the review right there. So it is very simple, it's easy to use, and you can also share the app that you just created with Gemini in case you want to share your own format with your friends. Then they can use the same app that you created with Gemini by just providing this link. So yeah, that's essentially how you can generate a sort of Steam review generator using only Gemini AI. Again, the full prompt is going to be available down in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.